People seem to be drawn to one who is centered in the way, for that person is harmless and peaceful. When the mind is centered within the world, then people are only interested in food or music and being entertained. To them, the way seems dull and without flavor, because there is nothing to see and nothing to hear with the senses. However, fulfillment from the way is inexhaustible. Notice how when things are overexpanded, they begin to shrink. When overstrengthened, they begin to weaken. When over-promoted, they begin to be rejected. Also notice how to receive something is first allow it to be given, and choose to give without expecting something in return. Noticing things is understanding the subtle way, or the nature of life. Notice how soft water can wear down hard rocks, and the flexible lasts longer than the inflexible. Just as fish should not be taken out of deep waters, the advantages of a nation should be kept obscure, and a nation should not display their power or weapons. Wise ones do not make their strengths obvious.